Up guys, this is CB's Randomness coming back here with my second tutorial. And on my last tutorial I said I'd do another one if I got one single like. If one single like, that's literally one person watches it, I have to do another tutorial. So on this tutorial I'm gonna have you guys get 10 likes if you want another tutorial. 10. That's more likes than I have subscribers, but I have faith. So yeah, if you guys want another one, and leave me alone, stupid carrier settings. But this tutorial is going to be on how to make your iPhone significantly louder, quite a bit louder, without any apps or anything. No, this is not with apps. This is straight just in iPhone settings. All of it's in iPhone settings. You can do it. So basically, you go into Apple Music and you go down to your EQ, and you go to late night. And you do not have to have Apple Music to do this. I do not have Apple Music. But yeah, you go into your Apple Music, and then you hit late night, and your EQ. And that is partially how you do it. Then there's another part of it. You go up to your accessibility, and in your accessibility, go to your accessibility, go down to your audio/visual, and hit mono audio. I don't honestly care what it is. It's one of them though. So yeah, I said 10 likes on this video, guys, and I'll do another one. Thank you for watching. This is CB's Randomness. Have a good night, or day /night /evening /whatever. Have a good night. Peace out. This is CB's Randomness. Goodbye.